WiseBanyan Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to WiseBanyan are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. WiseBanyan was a robo-advisor that gained popularity as the first free automated investing platform, making it a great choice for beginners and cost-conscious investors. It offered fully managed, diversified portfolios with no management fees, only charging for optional premium services. However, in 2019, WiseBanyan was acquired by Axos Financial and rebranded as Axos Invest, meaning it no longer operates under its original name. If you're looking for a low-cost robo-advisor, check the links in the description for alternatives. Features: WiseBanyan provided automated portfolio management using a mix of low-cost ETFs tailored to an investor's goals and risk tolerance. It featured goal-based investing, where users could create specific financial objectives, such as retirement or wealth growth, and have portfolios optimized accordingly. The platform also offered tax loss harvesting for taxable accounts, helping to reduce tax liabilities. WiseBanyan had no minimum investment requirement, making it accessible to all investors, and users could deposit any amount to start investing. While the core investment service was free, WiseBanyan introduced premium add-ons, such as tax loss harvesting and enhanced portfolio customization, available for an additional fee. Strengths: the biggest strength of WiseBanyan was its zero management fee model, making it one of the most affordable robo-advisors at the time. It provided easy access to automated investing with no minimum balance requirement, making it ideal for beginners. The goal-based investing feature allowed users to personalize their investment strategies, and tax loss harvesting was a valuable addition for reducing taxable gains. The platform's user-friendly interface made it simple for investors to set up and manage their portfolios. Weaknesses: despite its appeal, WiseBanyan had limitations. The free model meant limited features compared to premium robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront, which offer more robust financial planning tools. Customer support was also somewhat limited, and while premium add-ons were available, they came at additional costs that could make the platform less competitive over time. Ultimately, the acquisition by Axos Financial led to the WiseBanyan brand being phased out. Conclusion: WiseBanyan was an innovative robo-advisor that introduced free automated investing, making it a great choice for beginners and cost-conscious investors. However, after its acquisition by Axos Financial, it was rebranded as Axos Invest. If you're looking for a low-cost robo-advisor with similar features, check the links in the description for recommended alternatives.